In this question, you're asked the following. A manufacturer knows that their items have a normally distributed length with a mean of 5.2 inches and a standard deviation of 1.3 inches. If one item is chosen at random, what is the probability that it is less than 8.5 inches long? So you may be working on a question that has different values, but the setup should be essentially the same. We're going to start by listing our variables, just pulling them out, right, extracting them from the problem definition. So we have our mean is 5.2 inches. We have a standard deviation of 1.3 inches. And we have an x of 8.5 inches. And we're looking for the probability that x is less than 8.5 inches. So it's not really that our x equals 8.5, but that's the boundary line that we're using, the boundary line of x. And if we sketch this, it would look like this. So I have my normal curve. Oh, and this is important. This is normally distributed. Because of that, we know we have a normal distribution, and we can use the Excel norm.dist function. But we're going to sketch things first. So my mean is 5.2. And I'm just going to roughly estimate where my 8.5 is. We know it's greater than the 5.2. And I'm being asked for the probability that, that the item chosen is less than 8.5 inches. So I'm looking for this probability here under my curve, which means that's exactly what the Excel function norm.dist returns to me, so I can just use that directly and I don't have to do any additional math. So let me get an Excel just a blank sheet here. And all I need to do here is use our norm.dist function. So I'm going to say equals norm.dist, and I can select it as soon as I see it there. And my x is 8.5. My mean is 5.2, and my standard deviation is 1.3, and I want the cumulative distribution here. So the answer I get here is 0.99443. So I'm just going to pop that in here. And so this is my probability. But we're asked, let's see. We're not asked to round to any particular value here. But let's go to 4 digits, so after the decimal. So we're going to say the probability of x equaling 8.5 is equal to 0.9944.